love is more important than anything else, I guess. So that's where my practice has gone to, I guess. My name is Gabby Da Silva. I'm an artist based here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I'm also disabled artist. Lots of my work is based on my own experiences. I always liked art since I was a kid. And then I think when I got sick in 2019, I realized art was just the path for me to go to. And performance art, I think just like naturally my body just shifted towards that direction as a disabled person. My own experiences are different than everyone else's, so I feel like it's a natural approach to next step in my practice. I think about the idea of the home, heritage, and things that I've learned to experience growing up with my family. Cooking different meals, like baking pies, different kind of things that I learned from my grandparents, my aunts, my ancestral lineage, I guess. So that upbringing, but also like, what I want to do next. I want to be a mother one day, maybe. I have a family now, and so Nourishment Becomes Us all about that, about love and like that love language towards other people, towards people that are important to you. And so I'm going to actually feed us all, but not feed myself as a project. And this decaying home, I think it's very interesting to bring that homey dish into this broken place. My practice evolving going forward, like my performance, I would like to perform, I think, for people, rediscovering things that you thought were maybe boring, but I think that like really forgotten skills that like you want to reclaim again in a way.